Hi, welcome to all. Today I will tell you about an exciting and very popular messaging app, that is a Signal. Signal is going to be very popular nowadays because when the WhatsApp is changed its privacy policies to share the user details with Facebook and Instagram. Yes, before going to this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Let's go to know about Signal messaging app. The Signal is a cross-platform encrypted messaging service, and it is the end-to-end encrypted message service. Signal was launched in 2014. Next, Signal was an independent non-profit organization and used to make one-to-one and group voice and video calls. Let's go to the amazing features of Signal Messenger. First one, it is a end-to-end encrypted system. Second one, used it as default SMS and MMS app. Third one, it is used as video and voice call app. Next one, it is used as photo sharing app. Let's go to check the most important and real features of Signal app, that is storage setting. That means the Signal for Android now includes storage management functionality that helps visualize files across all of your conversations sorted by size and type in order to assist you in reducing the amount of space Signal uses on your device. Next, conversational length limit. You can set the message conversational length limit up to either 5000 messages or 1000 messages or 500 messages or 100 messages, or finally you can customize and set the limit of conversational length limits. Next one, disappearing messages. Disappearing messages is one of the greatest feature, and these messages will disappear from your device after the timer has placed. Next, each and every disappearing message will have a timer countdown icon that is visible at the bottom of the messenger bubble. Next, unlike the WhatsApp, you can set timer for 5 seconds to 1 week. Next one, typing indicators. If you disable the typing indicator, incoming typing indicators will not be displayed to the users. Next, connecting with the desktop applications like WhatsApp, your Signal app can be connected with your desktop applications, and you can also chat and you can call the video calling with these desktop applications. Next, note to self. This is very interesting feature, that is you can send messages to yourself. That means for testing the messages you can send messages to you itself. Next, you can send disappearing messages to yourself. The timer starts immediately. Next one, view one's media. Use Signal Android or Signal iOS to send individual photos and videos that are automatically removed from conversational thread after they have been viewed. That means once you viewed the media, and the media will be removed from the message box. Next, pin or unpin charts. Some charts deserve to be prioritized and given the important, and whatever the important charts you want to display, you can pin them and the pinned messages will be shown at the gallons. Next, group link or QR code. With the Signals new groups, you can invite people to join a group simply by sharing a link with them. You can also require admin approval if someone requests you to join your group via a link. Next one, yet mention in group charts. That means with the Signals new groups, you can mention or tag another member of the group. Next one, delete forever. Accidentally send a message to the wrong charts. Take back are now permitted. That means when deleting the recently sent message, you now have the option to delete everyone in the chart. Next one, You have a personalized themes for every chatting group. Next one, you have a personalized themes for every individual persons, and you can set the security either pin or fingerprint or pattern lock facility. Next one, you have the screen lock feature. The screen lock feature will enables you not to take your chattings as a screenshot. That means others will not take your chatting screenshots. Next one, theme. You can set the theme as a light theme or dark theme. Later, we have the font options. Next one, you have the language options. These are the major features of Signal messaging app. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching this video.